This is a 1929 Packard 640 Roadster, obviously in need of restoration. It's kind of an ivory color with black fenders, and has a 385 cubic inch, 105 horsepower straight 8. Has dual side mounted spares, and those are what they call disc wheels. Solid piece. So who would be interested in this car? It's rare for sure. Interesting two-tone stripe there in the door. And in a minute we will see all the features of the car. I would say it wouldn't be your average buyer who would be interested in this car. This would be somebody who was really into old Packards and had a lot of knowledge about their restoration. There you see a compartment after the door there in the space of the rear fender for golf clubs. Is a common feature of cars of this era. There's the black leather upholstery. Looks like we have a conglomeration of spare parts there in the seat. This would be quite a job to restore. Little step there for the rumble seat, but the other side has more complete steps. You'll see. There's the rumble seat. And that 3-light taillight, which was pretty common in cars like this. Gas tank in the back. And you'll notice that the taillight was only on the driver's side. There are 2 steps into the rumble seat. There are the roof bows, evidently. What a job! This would be a major undertaking. But it looks pretty rust-free from what you can see. You don't know about the chassis, but the exterior is not all eaten up in rust. So probably garaged and forgotten about for many, many years. That'd be my guess. Very interesting car.